Peace. Yo, what is up, guys? Today, I know it's kind of late on the day, but I did take a trade today. I am uploading a YouTube video right now as we speak. This is a little late, but let's just say I just made $165 on the live account. I only made $165. You know what? We're starting a new series called Live Account. Yes, you heard that right. We are now live. We're going live on the funded, not live funded. We're on a live account now, and profits are a little bit, they're going to be a little bit smaller because I only have not the, like, obviously when you first start off with the capital it's not going to be the most, so it's going to be like a few $100 wins. But hey, I'm here for it. I caught a nasty banger trade today. Also, I accidentally for the options, I accidentally made a little bit more than I should have today, which was on accident. I meant to do 5 contracts, but I did 50 contracts, so I was literally risking like $10,000. Like, it was bad. It was scary too, but like, one of my favorite. But yeah, let's get right into it. Let's see what kind of trade I took today. All right, y'all. This is the live account, yes. As you guys can tell, it's on the live right here. Balance 6,000. Now this, I did get a late entry on this because I literally forgot. I'm like, in this trade, I'm like, okay, wait, I have a live account to like buy it. So I literally enter off this candle. Like, I'm like, fuck, I gotta buy it. Then boom, bought it. But you could have bought. Oof, you could have gotten a better feel like up here. Not really big of a difference, but yeah. This only made $165, and Top Step, I only did one trade today, and this was like the same trade I took. This one we're up for like $1,138. So we just need like 5K more, something like 4,400, some 4,800, something along those lines. But yeah, and let me guys show you the trade I took today. But I'm gonna show you guys. So this was today. I don't know if that wants to focus. Focus, 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 focus. Focus! Bro, I need a better quality camera because this shit is not it. I don't know if you can still see that, but it's like, I don't know, it's like $7,000 I made today off options, which is absurdly insane. But let's get right into it. You know what? The screw, like, fuck the money. Let's get right into it and see what I did and how I did it. Alright, first, coming into market today, we first wanna delete all this. We first wanna mark our when market opens. 1430 and 630, and we wanna hit where the macro is. 1450. Now today, I have this indicator. It just marks out the London highs and London lows, and Asian session highs and Asian session lows. That's all it does. This indicator right here. So it just marks out like the New York highs and New York lows. That's all it does basically. So when market opens, boom, market opens. Boom, we immediately take out London session lows. I'm like, okay, bet we took out London session lows. Now, we do get a break of structure off this right here. We get a break of structure towards the upside. I'm like, literally, all I'm looking for is like a continuation move. And I literally see this. Look, we see this fair value get filled. And I literally enter off the reaction off this. Boom. I wanted these session highs to get hit. And also, this was on NASDAQ, by the way. I really wanted these highs to get taken, but we never did. And so what I did, what I ended up doing was I ended up taking profit once. It was like a little like 1 or 2 risk reward. This was the trade I was willing to take. And then my stops was below this low right here. So it was a 1 or 3 risk reward. Almost a 1 or 3. That was a NASDAQ. Now, the reason why, I literally closed my position once ES. It's the same idea off ES. like looking at it. I'm like, okay, bet we're all the way here, and then we have this drawn liquidity. Take it as TP. We have we also have this drawn liquidity. We also have this drawn liquidity. So ES was a little bit should have been more favorable in my opinion, because we have draws and liquidity here on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour we have boom, 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 1, 2, and 3 draws on liquidity. I'm like, okay, bet I want that get taken out. Like I said, boom, market opens, we take out London session lows. My eyes light up. I'm like, okay, bet, where am I trying to target? I want to target like other draws on liquidity, which would be these London session highs. And then boom, we ended up taking up those highs. Now, you could have entered if you wanted to. Now, I've been noticing this. Look, I don't know about you, but I've been noticing that once we take out these lows, we get inverse this, and then low key, if you really wanted to, like an aggressive move, this would be really aggressive. If you wanted to, enter off this closure stops probably below here, enter with minimum risk, and then you could just target like the highs, even though that's like right, but at the same time, we do end up getting a fill. Like, bro, we get like, let's just take this off. Is this even a fair value gap? It is. This tiniest fair value gap you could ever think of gets filled. Boom, tap into this. Could have went long off that. Stops part below here. Targets 1, 2, and 3 would have been bing, bing, schmack work. Got fucking taken. That would have been the trade that I would have taken on ES. And yeah, that is the trade I literally took. I literally took it off a liquidity sweep, break a structure, fair value gap fill, and then target towards the upside. That was literally it. Just 3 column points. Liquidity sweep, break a structure, fair value gap, and that's all I entered off. And then bam, we fucking hit that shit. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this trade recap. I will upload a video tomorrow if I do take a trade tomorrow. But yeah, guys, are we back? Is price action back today? Who knows? Hey, I think I might even go live on YouTube, like just going live trading. Should I? I don't know. There's a bunch of like degenerates out there, but anyways. But yeah, that was today's trade recap. That was today's trade. Pretty good day for me today. Not gonna lie. Oh, even though I kind of made a little bit more money than I should have, but yeah, hey, I ain't complaining. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. We're back at it tomorrow, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video.